If you are watching this video, then you know the financial opportunity that exists on Instagram. And sis, there is no reason why you shouldn't be making bank too. So in this video, I'm going to give you about 30 things that you can sell on Instagram. One of the best things that you can do to ensure success on Instagram is to make sure you focus on a very specific niche or just sell one product when you are first starting out. If you want a detailed video on how to set up an Instagram store, then be sure to subscribe to my channel because I will be releasing that video very soon and you don't want to miss out. Now let's get right into the 30 ideas. I've got them here on my phone, so if I'm looking down, it's because I'm reading from this list that I made. So you could sell sunglasses, right? Trendy sunglasses, all kinds, or you could just focus on like 3 pairs when you're beginning and that's all that you do. You could do jewelry, right now body jewelry is all the rage, so find some interesting unique pieces that aren't that common yet and you're on your way. So the next few are like in the self-care section, and what's really great with selling self-care products is that you can make some really great content marketing around self-care, so it helps to grow your Instagram page that much quicker. But the products that you can sell in this niche are candles, body creams, butters, lotion, all of the stuff to make your skin look amazing, essential oils, bubble bath stuff, bath bombs, right? Oh my god, I love me a good bath bomb. You could also do masks, like self-care masks, whatever. You could do a set of like bathrobes and that kind of goodies that you use when you take a bath, and eye masks as well, just for rejuvenation and that spa feeling. A clothing store where you sell trendy hot pieces, or just focus on selling dresses only on your store, or lingerie, that's also quite hot right now. You can sell handbags, you can sell shoes. Then nails. Okay, this is really trendy. This started to pick up wildly when we were stuck inside and no one could get to their nail salon. But right now these nail businesses are doing really well by selling these pre-made nail kits, and honey, I'm telling you, get on that. Then hair. We all know you can sell hair on Instagram, but I thought I'd include that in this list in case you're afraid of doing it. Now, if I were to sell hair on Instagram, I would focus on like one specific wig, right? That's like a really hot wig, whether it's a bob or like something blonde and beautiful, or like mermaid hair, whatever. I'd choose like one really special wig and I'd make my whole store focused on that, and blah blah blah. Okay, you get it. I'm gonna just keep going. Right now, lip gloss is so trendy, so you can sell lip gloss, or you can also just sell a range of lipsticks. When Kylie Jenner started her business, she was only selling lip kits. That's how she started. So don't be afraid of this like niching or one product thing. I'm telling you, that is how the greats do it. Eyeshadow palettes, and then makeup oils, right? So this could be oils that you use before you apply your foundation, or highlighter oils, or even oil makeup removers. I think this is going to be a hot trend coming up very soon, so consider that. You can also sell custom cell phone cases, and if you start that business, please let me know because, honey, I need one. You could also sell body glitter, body shimmer, that kind of thing, that for that glow. Then you can sell makeup. Your store could just be makeup accessories and tools. Sometimes the makeup niche can be a little bit saturated, but if you just sell tools and accessories that go with applying makeup, you could be well on your way. Then natural hair products will always be a win. As black women, we're always looking for the next best natural hair products, and these are great because you could even make your own, build a nice strong brand, and there you go. Then you have natural hair accessories, so things that people who on the natural hair care niche need, to take care of their hair, not just the actual products themselves. And the last one I'm going to say is eyelashes. This is super trendy. I don't think it's going anywhere, so I thought that I would include that on this list as well. If you got to the point of this video, comment a lip gloss and I'll know that you went through the whole damn list and it'll make me so happy. So comment lip gloss, and yeah, tell me, are you starting a store soon? What is on your mind? What are you thinking? Leave in the comments. Let's all chat and motivate each other, because listen, I think that as black women, we are well on the way in this beauty industry and we are taking over. So there is no reason why you shouldn't be setting up your store just in time for Christmas. And yeah, if you start now, you really will be ready to make money in Christmas sales. At retail, it's like the best time of year for retail. So this is the time to get started. But like I said, I am having a whole series right now just on Instagram and making money on Instagram. So subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of those videos coming up. know this was kind of on the short side, but I just wanted to keep it short and sweet and give you some ideas for your business. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and yeah, let's chat in the comments. You know, I started this YouTube channel to like connect with people, meet new people. I wish you all the best in your business and making money online, on Instagram, whatever you're doing. I'm really rooting for you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day. Mwah.